Good morning students. Today we are discussing some SQL functions. Now we can refresh how we use the text functions like uppercase, lowercase, substring, length, left, right, INSTR and the trim functions last year. Ucase or upper function. This function converts the given string into uppercase. We can discuss this function through examples. First example, select upper informatics. Check the argument. Here the argument is informatics. So upper function will convert informatics to uppercase. Second example refers the given table student. Here we want to convert all the names in the given table to uppercase. Now we can check how to write the query for that. Select upper name from student. Here check the argument. Here argument is the column name and no need of codes for the argument. Please check the output. Here all the names Pankaj, Shalini and Hara are converted to uppercase, Lcase or lower function. This function converts the given string into lowercase. We can discuss the examples. First one, select lower informatics. Here the argument is informatics in uppercase. So lower function will convert informatics to lowercase. Second example that refers to the given table student. Here we want to convert all the names to lowercase. So we can check the query. Select lower name from student. Here also argument is column name, that is name without quotes. So lower function will convert all the names to lowercase. Mid function, substring function, substr function. These functions are used for extracting a substring from a given string. Please see the string information with its positions. First example, select substring informatics 3. So this query will output all the characters from third character onwards. That means from F onwards it will output all the characters. FORMATICS will be the output. Second example, select substring informatics from 4. This example also same as that of the first one. From fourth character onwards, it will display all the characters. Fourth one is O. From O onwards, ORMATICS will be the output. Then third example, substring informatics 3, 4. Here 3 arguments are there. The string and 3, then 4. So here this query will output 4 characters from third position onwards. That means FORM, 4 characters from third position onwards will be the output. Please see the string computers with its forward and backward positions. Example 4. Select substring computers -3. This query is for extracting the last 3 characters from the given string computers. So ERS will be the output. Next example, select substring computers -5, 3. So here along with the computers, here 2 numerical arguments are there, -5 and 3. So -5 is for extracting the last 5 characters from the given string. and 3 is for displaying the first 3 characters. So this query is for displaying the first 3 characters from -5 position onwards. So UTE will be the output. And the next example is similar to the fifth example. Select substring computers from -4, 4, 2. This query is for displaying the first 2 characters from -4 position onwards. So TE will be the output. Length function. This function returns length of a given string in bytes. Example 1. Select length informatics. Here the argument is informatics. So length of function will count the number of characters in that informatics. So here 11 characters are there. So the result is 11. Now second example that refers to the given table student. We can check the query. Select name, comma, length of name from student. This query is for displaying name and length of each name from the table student. Here the table contains 3 names. So this query will output each name with its length. So first one is Pankaj. Pankaj contains 6 characters. So length of the name is 6. Second name is Shalini. That contains 7 characters. So length of second name is 7. And Hara contains 4 characters. So length of Hara will be 4. Left function. This function returns the leftmost number of characters from the string. First example, select left informatics 4. So this query will output the first 4 characters, that is INFO. And second example that refers to the given table student. Select left name comma 2 from student. This query is for displaying first 2 characters from all the 3 names. So first name is Pankaj, first 2 characters are PA. So PA will be the output for the first name. Likewise SH for the second name and HA for Hara. Please check the output. Right function. This function returns the rightmost number of characters from the string. Example, select right informatics 4. So this query will output last 4 characters, that is TICS. Second example, select right name comma 2 from student. This query is for displaying last 2 characters from name column. Here 3 names are there. First name is Pankaj. So last 2 characters are A and J. And second name's last 2 characters are N and I. And Hara's last 2 characters are RA. So that will be the output. INSTR function. This function returns the position of the first occurrence of substring in the string. Example, select INSTR informatics 4. Here the string is informatics and 4 is a substring. This function checks the first occurrence of 4 in informatics. So F is there in the third position of informatics. So the result will be 3. Second example, select INSTR computers, comma pet. Here the string is computer and the substring pet is not there in the string. So result will be 0. ltrim function. This function removes leading spaces, that is spaces from left side of given string. First example, select ltrim mysql. Here in this example, there are some blank spaces in the left side of the string mysql. This ltrim function will remove that blank spaces. Please see the output. Second example, select L-trim computer. Here in this example, computer is having blank spaces in both sides. L-trim can remove only left side blank space. So right side blank space will remain there itself. Please check the output. rtrim function. This function removes trailing spaces, that is spaces from right side of given string. First example, select rtrim mysql. Here this rtrim will remove the right side blank spaces. Please see the output. Second example, select rtrim computer. Here computer is having blank spaces on both left side as well as in the right side. So here this rtrim will remove only right side blank spaces. Please check the output. Trim function. This function removes leading and trailing spaces from a given string. That means it performs combined functions of L-trim and R-trim. Example, select trim mysql. Here the given string mysql contains blank spaces on both left side and right side. Trim will remove both sides blank spaces. Please see the result. One more example is there. Select trim SQL classes. This one is also with blank spaces on both sides. So trim will remove both left side and right side blank spaces. Check the output. Concat function. This function concatenates two or more strings. Example, select concat mysql. Here in the given query, two arguments are there, my and SQL. Here this concat function joins these two strings together. So as a result, we will get mysql. Second example, select concat name, department as name and department from student. This query will join name and department column together. That is Pankaj and computer together, Shalini and history together, Hara and Hindi together. Here are some assignment questions for you. Please do it and send the answers to my WhatsApp or to my mail. Thank you.